guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a self-watering plant holder using a wine bottle. Today I'm using a miniature wine bottle, but a normal size wine bottle would work just as well. As you can see, I've already cut my wine bottle using my Upcycle Easy Cut cutter. I've cut it about 3/4 of the way up. As you can see here, this is how it was before, and this is how it'll be. You want to make sure when you cut your wine bottle that you cut it high enough so that there's room for your plant inside here, but it's not so long that it reaches the bottom of the wine bottle. Okay? So all you need is your cut wine bottle, a plant, of course, and some dirt, an old piece of screen, and a thick piece of string. I've already filled this with water, and this will be our water reservoir. I've kept the label on this one just so it could maybe be kind of a cute Christmas present, but you can of course take your label off. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut a hole in my screen, which I've already done here, and I'm going to take my string and run it through the screen. And you want to run it through and then tie a knot at the end like this so it can't go through. And it should look like this. All right, next you're going to take your wine bottle top and you're going to run the string through that, and then you're going to stuff that in there like this. So you still have your string poking out the top here and then coming out the bottom. And this screen's gonna act like a mesh for your plants. All the dirt doesn't come down into the water. Okay, pretty easy so far. And the reason we have this string is the string will act like a wick and it will draw the water up to help keep your plant watered. Next, you're gonna take this, put it in here. So you have the string and this on top, and we have our screen. Now we're going to take our plant, take it out of here, might make a little bit of a mess, and just pop it right in, here. So as you can see, this might be a little bit uneven. Sometimes that happens. If that's the case, I would recommend using a rubber band or some kind of rubber gasket or something to put around between the two pieces of glass to help keep it stable. But for our purposes today, this is going to work great. These are better to use it with herbs and things, but plants should work too, and it'll make a cute present. Maybe tie some ribbon on it, make it look super cute.